Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to be talking about MCP, which is a very interesting subject that everybody is talking about today. MCP stands for Model Control Protocol, which was introduced by Entropic 6 months ago. Why now? Why everybody is talking about it now? Because everybody actually is starting to use it because the technology is getting matured. So today I'm going to be presenting in a very easy way what is MCP and how you can use it for your advantage. Okay, so basically how the MCP will help you. MCP will help you because it will give an autonomy to your LLM to take actions with external apps. So no more configuration needed to connect tools anymore, no more HTTP requests, so you don't have to connect your app with another app using an HTTP request and API. So this is very powerful because LLM will actually do that for you. It will actually use and configure the API and HTTP calls directly. It's scalable also because everybody now could build an MCP and share it. So it will make your LLMs and automation more powerful. So this is a very important technology to understand and to use and in your automation. So stay along guys and subscribe if you're not, because it's very interesting and subject very interesting, and I will be also sharing a lot of other videos and a lot of values. So if you have any questions, and don't hesitate to put them in the comments. Okay, let's go. So this is a very easy flow. We will explain MCP server and how it connects with other blocks. So first you create a request, modify my last message in Slack. You will send that request to the LLM. The LLM actually will have a tool set. So this tool set is full with MCP servers, but in our example we just gave one MCP server, which is the Slack MCP server. So it will actually find that there is a Slack MCP server and it will try to use it. By trying to use it, it will check the actions that it has available for that MCP server, get message and modify message in our example. So it will get that message and modify the message and will do those actions. So what happens actually beneath the hood is the LLM will take care of all the configuration and the different message and queries that are needed for each action, because under the hood of each action, of course, there is still HTTP request, but that's what is powerful about this technology, because everything will be done by the LLM and we will not actually have to configure those kind of actions in HTTP requests. So this is very powerful guys, and that's why MCP servers are very important, and that's something that you should know and learn about. Subscribe guys if you're not, because it's gonna be much more value in the future, and we're gonna be discussing about MCP servers and how to integrate new MCP servers that are in the market. So the next question that you will be asking me is where to find those MCPs. So basically there is marketplaces that are created today, Symmetry, MCP.so, Glama, that you could be using, and inside of those marketplaces you will find many MCPs that you can install and use them for your workflow. Just an advice guys, for security reasons, install only the ones that are most, I would say, have number of installs and that have good reviews. MCP servers. So inside of the marketplaces you will find the apps with MCP servers. For example, Slack, Superbase, YouTube. There is some kind of MCPs that are not that mature, because MCPs actually are created by people like me and you, in that they share it actually in those marketplaces. So in our case, we will be using a MCP called Brave, which will allow us actually to make searches on the internet. Okay, so if you want to go further in this and you want to build your own MCP, you could. If you're a tech guy, you can go to modelcontextprotocol.io and get the SDK that will actually help you to create those MCPs and share them with the community so everybody could use them.